Inside this museum in Copenhagen, once long time ago, I find my children. I have searched for them about 1 or 2 hours, and then suddenly I find the museum and I get in and I found them. There was inside. So I can find them. And this is one you can see, the biggest man ever lived, standing outside of the museum. And of course it's a doll, but these people around him is real people. They are very small, as you can see. Even I will look very small if I'm standing near this man. But I have no picture from that occasion. Long time ago, when I find my children inside there that I'm looking for in a long time. It was very tired, but I was tired about that such. But I found them.